share this space. So can't we see in every face a line of moments breathing still, building to this present will to survive a history mightier than bigotry. A line of love and blood and flesh, music, dancing, feasting, sex, anger, sorrow, envy, joy, boasting, humbling, chasing, coy, Jasper, Texas, or Laramie, high school heart or refugee. Is there some place on this great earth where one can love and quench one's thirst and cool one's face and hold one's mate, free and safe from fear-filled hate?
Sing it one time.